how to build a free app with Google AI Studio. So I was able to build this amazing app. I'll call it Simple App. What it does is that all that you have to do is to simply put in your date of birth. Okay, so the day that you were born will be given, and then your age will be given as well. So all that you have to do is simply put in the date of birth, the exact same format just like this one. Okay, then come and click on the review my date of birth insight, and that is it. Okay, so let's try it. So I'm going to put in 4th April 2001, and after that I'm simply going to click on review my date of birth insight. So that is it. Hello, you provided the date 4th April 2001, and then you were born on a Wednesday, and currently your age, you are 24 years, 2 months, and then 20 days old. Have a fantastic day. You see, so it's a simple app that I've been able to create to Google AI Studio, and I'm going to show you in this video step by step how you can do the exact same thing. So when you go to Google AI Studio and then you come here to the chat, come and then select the chat. Okay, that is what you are going to use to get the prompt to create the app. And then when you select it, it will bring you right here to the chat prompt. Okay, and then from it you see that we have welcome to AI Studio, and then you have the chat box right here. So you are going to ask it to give you a prompt to create the app. Okay, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So after asking it, come and then click on run prompt, and it will give you the prompt. Okay, but we have two apps that we can create. We have the app that we use API key. Okay, so the API key is the app that you will back it with an existing internet data. So let's say you want to create an app and then you want to back it with an existing, or to retrieve a data from an existing internet source data, you have to come and then create an API key. Okay, in order to get that access to the data. But you are not going to create an app that you are going to back it with any internet source information, so we are not going to use any API key. Okay, so simply come and then ask it. So I call it Wow. That is the name that I call Google AI Studio. And over here, I'm asking it, I want you to give me a prompt to create an app with Google AI Studio built, and I want the app to be able to tell me the day I was born and how old I am by simply putting in my date of birth. Okay, so by simply putting in the day of birth, the date of birth like 2nd April 2001, the app should have a nice color, especially I should be able to see everything clearly. Okay, so just put in what you want the app to give you the prompt to create. Okay, what you want the AI to give you the prompt, and then come and then click on run. Okay, and it is going to provide you with a prompt that you are going to use to build the app. Okay, so from here, as you can see, it has given us the prompt. All that you have to do is simply scroll up, and then from the response that it has given, when you come here, you see that the prompt used in Google AI Studio. So this is the prompt that it has generated. Okay, so the generated code. All that you have to do is simply scroll down and then come here. You are going to see that we have the copy option. Okay, so just come and then click on the copy to clipboard, and then when you click on it, it is automatically going to be copied to the clipboard just like this one. Okay, and then after that, simply come here to where we have the build, and then come and click on the build. So when you click on the build, it will bring you right here to where you can come and then paste it. Okay, so build apps with it, and then this is the chat box. You don't have to do anything, just come and then paste the prompt right here in the chat box. After pasting it, just come and then click on run prompt. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to paste the prompt right here by pasting it, and then after pasting the prompt, simply come here and then come and click on run prompt. So when you click on run prompt, it is going to run the entire thing for you. All that you have to do is just sit back, relax, and it's going to build the app for you in few seconds. Okay, so as you can see, it has built the app for me, and then this is it. All that you have to do is to simply come here. We have the view it in full screen, so come and click on it, and then we have our chrono finder, discover the day you were born and then your age. So we have successfully built the app. Okay, so You have to come and then put in your date of birth, the exact same format, just like this. Okay, so I am simply going to test it for us to see how the app is functioning. I'm going to put in September 8, 2000. Okay, so that is the date of birth, and after that, I'm simply coming to come and then click on the calculate. Okay, so let me click on the calculate, and that is it. So as you can see, you were born on a Friday, and then currently you are 24 years old. This is so nice, amazing, and it is totally free. You don't have to pay any money. Okay, so in order to see it, like it is automatically saved for you, okay, in Google AI Studio. So when you come here to your Google AI Studio, and then you come here to where we have the build. Okay, so when you click on where we have the build, you see that you have your apps here. Okay, so come and click on your apps, and then when you click on it, you will see your current created app just like this one. So that is the Chrono Finder that we have successfully created. Okay, so when you open it, and then at the top, okay, you can see that you can also share it with your family and friends or anybody by simply clicking on share app, and then you can also come and then download the app by clicking on the download the app, and then you can also come and then copy this app as well. Okay, so this is it. This is how to build an app with Google AI Studio. If you have any questions, leave in the comment down below, like the video, and then see you in my next video.